Hello and welcome to my video. I'm Shannon with Creating with Shannon, and we're going to look at the Tapers mold by IOD 2024 Christmas release. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some quick set resin, and I'm going to pour it into my molds and let it set. After the resin sets, I'm going to go ahead and demold them. This is the Angelic Tapers. Look at the amazing detail on all of these angels with the wings all the way down to the tip of the taper. It is just amazing. Now let's turn them into double-sided ornaments. So I'm going to mix up another batch of resin. I'm going to go ahead and pour them into the molds. Now, while the resin is still wet, not dry, I'm going to put a little ribbon in the very top of the taper, and then I'm going to set the previous casted angel on top. This will create a sandwich. It'll create a, they'll join together where there will not be any gaps, and it'll look like it was made to be double-sided just like that. Okay, let them set, and once the casting is dry and ready to be demolded, look at how beautiful these turn out. Now, sometimes the resin will overspill a little bit, but you can just pick that off, and then later we're going to actually sand the edges where it makes it nice and smooth. If you're liking my videos, please like and subscribe. After the molds have been demolded, I go ahead and take my sander and I just sand along the edge just to give it a nice smooth surface. I used to think that the resin spilling over ruined the molds, but then I quickly realized that I can just sand it off, and it makes them look so much more nice, and they look like they were meant to be together. After sanding, we're going to go ahead and give them a nice coat of primer. We're using acrylic primer here. This will make sure that anything we put on our molds will stay. So I've decided that I'm going to use some metal pigment. I'm going to use the copper, the gold, and the silver. You simply just mix the powders up with a little bit of pigment fix from Pentart. I'm going to do the same thing with the gold and then the silver. Look at how beautiful these pigments look on these angels. Now it's time to decorate them. You could leave them totally like this and put them on your tree and they'd be gorgeous. However, I'm going to just decorate them with little bows and little accents. So on the silver one, I'm going to add a black bow. The brass one, I'm going to add a chiffon-looking, same color resemblance bow. Then for the gold one, I'm going to add a little bit of greenery, a little bell, and then a tiny gold bow. Here they are, all finished. These are the Angelic Tapered Molds by IOD in the 2024 release. I just love the way they came out. These can be decorated in so many different ways. This is just my take. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing. Have a great day.